Hey y'all, it's the Financial here, and I am back with another video. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. If you're new and not yet subscribed, make sure you do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button and join the family, because I guarantee if you have good taste, and also if you have good taste, you'll definitely, your eye look crazy, but it's all for a reason. Your girl is in the middle of a retie. I actually have this done, this whole little back section here, so I'm just really working on this top section here. A retie and chat, we're just gonna do a retie and chill because y'all, I need to get this retie underway. Thanksgiving is like a couple of days away, so I want to get the retie done so I can do a cute little pipe cleaner curl set for y'all and for me, because I haven't done one before and I want some curls. So today we're not gonna be talking, we're not gonna be chatting, y'all just gonna vibe out with me while I do my retie. And if y'all want to, grab y'all tools and do y'all retie with me, or do y'all retwist with me. Let's get our hair done, because y'all, I don't know about y'all, it's definitely about that time for me. So y'all know the drill. I got my spray bottle with just some water. I got a couple of clips here, some hair ties, and my plastic yarn needle. I need to get another metal yarn needle, but this is all I have right now. So I'm gonna give myself an hour to knock out some of this hair, and we're gonna go about our way. So if you guys are interested in doing a retie and chill with me, stay tuned.
She don't know what she doing. This just giving it. What the hell? Girl that wham in a circle, even if a little make a jump like a hurdle. Girl that wham in a circle, even if a little make a jump like a hurdle. Girl that wham in a circle, even if a little make a jump like a hurdle. Even that was small, still 30. Take me through that, take me through that. 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 Take me through that, take me sit right there. That's it, that's it. That right there, right there. How you just do whatever you want? How you gon' put a spell on me just? How you keep make me fall in love? It's just not fair. Free up, must be saying I'm free up. I just need a free up. I don't need a prenup. Niggas wanna be us, bitches wanna be her. Looking so good, and they pick these niggas beat up. I would fight 1,000 times just to touch you. Even when I know you lie, wanna indulge you. 'Cause I love you. You would be right all the time if it was up to me. We could fall all night long when you had your clothes on. But now I'd rather be drunk than to be alone. Yeah, you know it's not fair. It's not fair. How you just gonna take off your clothes and sit right there? That's it, that's it. That right there, right there. How you just do whatever you want? How you gon' put a spell on me just? How you make me fall in love? It's just not fair. You just want the freedom, I just want the freedom. Strong is the leader, long is the lover. Hands up, feet up, like baby put the seat up. Backseat beat up. I would fight 1,000 times just to touch you. Even when I know you lie, wanna go with you. 'Cause I love you. You would be right all the time if it was up to me. We could fall all night long when you had your clothes on. Now I'd rather be drunk than to be alone. Yeah, you know it's not fair. It's not fair. How you just gonna take off your clothes and sit right there? That's it, that's it. That right there, right there. How you just do whatever you want? How you gon' put a spell on me just? How you can make me fall in love? It's just not fair. In the city, remember you used to drive a Yukon. Pick up on none of you call. In the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? In the center with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. Looking up, you get a move on. Like you haul, and I know we need to go slow, but we could go faster. Let me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I bring nice things. Slide, for me you're the man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get smashed instead. I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do? If I didn't love you, babe? What would I do? If I didn't love you, babe? What would I do? If I didn't love you? Wanna be the one to give you what you want. Not the words you want, you say no more. Right around town with your hair down low. I know you like it when I tell you what you want. You can do what you do, what you want. I can tell your friends if you want to come. You need to go slow, but we can go faster. Let me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I bring nice things. Slide, for me you're the man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get smashed instead. I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do? If I didn't love you, babe? What would I do? If I didn't love you, babe? What would I do? If I didn't love you? When it's been a few hours, but it felt like days. like months. When it come for you, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's some me time.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say yeah.
Alright, y'all, an hour later, and we are finished with this roll of locks, which is crazy because it was an hour and this is what we managed to get done. So yeah, I am gonna have to come back another time and do the rest of this hair. Hopefully I can come back later on tonight and get another hour in, because I really want to get it done by tonight, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. But that was all we were able to get done for today. So I'm gonna add this to the ponytail. And y'all, my locks are getting so long. I recently trimmed them and it's like that trim didn't do nothing. Like the length came back with a vengeance because it's right back to its original length before I cut it. But that is all I have for today's video. I hope you guys join me in this little retie session. Got a couple of your locks done, you know. Because if you guys have Microlocs, especially if you take care of them yourself, you know that it is very time consuming and you need something to take your mind off of it while you're in the middle of doing it. So if you made it to this point in the video, you obviously have good taste, so you should just go ahead, subscribe, and join the family and stay around. And don't forget to like the video on your way out, and I will catch y'all